Oh. Ah, I'm winning. Oh yeah? You can beat the classics. Put that all behind you and start out with a new, you know what. Do you remember what we're playing? I do know what we're playing. We'll tell the audience. Oh, hello. If you're wondering what we're playing here, but they always intended to guess, I'm playing Mario Kart DS. And I'm playing the new Mario Kart 7. Hey, boys! 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 Hmm? Yeah? Shut that off for a minute. I'm almost done. Oh, now. Nah. There will be no choice. Hey! Tony, that goes for you too. What? Alright, good. That helped. Now, I need a favor for you today before you go out to work. Oh, getting outside? We just painted yesterday. I know that. But, you remember Rolly the cowboy that you rescued from Tony the tiger? Yeah. Well, he sent me an extra worker that one of the jobs, so can you wish him around, so, where is he? Oh, he's over here. So we need a nice member around here. Yeah, do we? Alright. I'd like to introduce you to Happy. Yeehaw! Hey, who hit the door on me while I was on the floor? Just get in, come here. This little man, thanks for your job, Mr. Reed, ain't he? Partner? Yeah. First, this is Happy. He's a sheep from a farm. He kind of works around, he's a great professional. Howdy, howdy, partners. I said howdy, howdy, partners. Oh, hello. I'm Tony, and I'm Plumber. Yow. We're both getting moving now. Well, before we go, we'd like to go get... Oh yeah, you have to meet our other friend, Frogger. Where is he? He's still sleeping. This late? Just like last time. He's not over here. This is where he usually sleeps. Oh, howdy. This is like fox feet. Oh! Tony, Plumber, is that you? Ah! Hey, Tony, what happened? Why are you all white and ears and nose and... what do you call those? Owen's partner. Who the heck are you? You're not Tony or Plumber. My name's Hoppy. Howdy, howdy, partner. I was hired by your boss, E.T. And I met your other two friends who came to wake you up. Oh, really? Guys, I'm over here. Tony, over here. Oh! Ah, you met Frog already. Well, boys, what should we do now? I'll be in charge. Well, come outside and follow us. We'll give you a tour around and give you a job. Oh boy, you have seen nothing yet. Come on. Hey, boys. Yes? Get out of here. Uh-oh, I hear something, partners. Intruders. Yeah. Alright, let's go. I hope they'll be open the door. Hurry! hear the next door dog's interruptions. It looks like someone's a nuisance. Hey. So, to the S's. I'm gonna need an extra player. Ah! Ew! Did you say extra player? Yeah! I want to be the new one. Alright, Luigi, you get the new one. Guess I'll get the old one.